I think it's full of energy and ideas and passion. I was told about this event and invited last year. I couldn't make it. I promised I'd come this year. It proved a little bit complicated, but I'm so glad I made the time and effort to come. I've met some wonderful change makers in the space of the climate fair, some wonderful youth leaders and those who inspire them. All of these people are critical if we are going to achieve the objective of saving and improving the quality of resilience for our planet. So, it's always really, really good to bring people together in this kind of forum. And I congratulate all the organisers who have been having this event now for a number of years. And I hope that, they will continue to inspire and encourage and bring young people together. I think what struck me most was the CEO Ma'am's twice repeated message at the beginning about collaborate, not compete. I think that's really, really important. You can always achieve more if you care about something by working with others than trying to be in competition with others. And I think, that's a big takeaway message for me. But thank you again for having us. And, it's been great to come once more to this wonderful state, Odisha, my 15th visit. And I'm already looking forward to the next one. Thank you.